Wow, look at this. So these are these, it's kind of like a cone they make.
Well, this
It's
is
kind of like a
really
bun.
good during Christmas.
Yeah. Those look fantastic. It's like lemon cream. She paints the inside of it. Wow.
Yeah, it's cinnamon and vanilla.
You got your money ready?
You're already paid. Yeah. And then she's gonna put cream in the middle. Oh, thank you. I will. Can you grab some?
What is this exactly?
It's wrapped dough, and then they roll it in the oil, or no, not oil. It's over coals, and it's very traditional. And I forget which country. I think it's Belgium. I'll have to look that up. But you see them a lot in the Christmas markets, and I've seen them on videos. So this is really cool.
It's a chimney cake.
Chimney Cake.
Smells heavenly.
Not all that sweet. Yep. I was thinking more like a cinnamon roll, but I don't taste a lot of cinnamon.
Is that a lemon cream in there?
Vanilla cream. Oh, yum. Good when you get the cream on it.
It's good.
Really good. Yeah.
Not overly sweet.
Now I'm getting more cinnamon in it. So you can get it in plasma cookies, which is really big here. It's like a vanilla wafer, coconut, sprinkles, and I'm not sure.
This is delicious.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yay.
Yay. Yay for us. Belgrade. We're Outta Here is all about finding a less stressful, more affordable lifestyle outside of the U.S. If we can do it, you can too.